Here to support Ritah in one way or the other. So Ritah, ngenda kuwa muzindalo guno first of all. Ritah, Dr. Ritah, wengenda so kuwa muzindalo guno. Omala okubako yogera tonotono, ompera omwami bwamala, buli ayize wano abagira kwako kyayogera towards that book.
Excuse me.
Nekyawulira mu mwoyo gwe.
MC Zion.
Yes sir.
Also let's welcome Beatrice Faz, please, from UK community.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
Beatrice Faz,
from UK community. Please join in.
The godmother for Kaggwa's kids.
Oh wow. You're most welcome, dear. So Ritah, I think we are ready now. Please, a few words after the microphone to the husband.
Most welcome everyone. Thank you so much for coming around for my book launch. Yeah, I'm actually the author of Where Is My Charger, which is a survival guide to the unplugged world. Yeah, you're gonna ask me, Ritah, why did you write Where Is My Charger? You all know the president of the Bloggers Association I took over from, the late Ichuli. This is a tribute to Dr. Ichuli, the late, this man. This is a tribute to Ichuli. I wrote this in respect of Ichuli. And the contributions you're all gonna make here are gonna go to Nambi School of Autism and Ichuli's dad. Yeah, this is a surprise. I'm sure SG didn't even know about our Secretary General. So apparently, the survival guide is just literally pen down every triumphant and challenges is bloggers, influencers, podcasters, YouTubers, every other person, casual users. Name it, every other person that is into the digital world. This is a guide. It's not a novel, it's not a love story, it's not a memoir. I'm not writing about my biography, but I'm writing about a digital guide. A digital guide that is going to be used by every other person, media personality from TV presenters, brand managers, every other person is able to be guided with this book. You've seen how I've made it from there to there, then you'll be knowing how I've made it from monetization, optimization. I've guided you, every business owner that is using social media to make it. I've literally penned down everything in this book. I'm actually summarizing, I'm actually giving a preamble of this book just because I want you to make sure that you get the book to be able to know it. I've talked about crypto, because I'm into crypto. I've talked about clothing line, hairline, just like a luxury hair. I've talked about travels discovery, talked about food blogging, I talked about brand managing, branding. I've talked about literally managing pages on all social media platforms. So this book is a survival guide to make it up to 5 figures. So if you read this book, you cannot be the same. Buying this book, we are contributing to the late Ichuli's family. Buying this book, we are contributing to Nambi School of Autism in Ntinda. Buying this book is supporting Ritah Kaggwa, your president, Bloggers Association. Thank you.
Tukube kuongeleza Dr. Ritah. You've heard it, where the funds are going towards after collecting it from this book launch. So we're going to hear from the dear guests of honor who are here for the first time. After them, we're going to have another team to come around and also say something about this. Papa, Oga, this is your wife, and I know you've been the first support towards her. In a few words towards this book, what do you have to say? And you going also to buy it also in a special way, please.
Books, ushers, the books.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to congratulate Dr. Ritah Kaggwa Bashinkoya. I'm not going to talk about nightmare, paper on the floor, early morning tea, sometimes tired, but I'm just talk about support her book. She has done a great and wonderful thing about people of gender. You can Daddy for Mr. Holt. And also I want to thank everyone, family, the great way to raise our home. I think because of that, and a lot of things, that is why I don't want to talk about it. It's one of the wonderful things, but that is the story for tomorrow. But I'm going to contribute to Dr. Ritah Kaggwa. I don't know how much it is in the Uganda, but I'm going to buy a book £150.
150 pounds. 150 pounds. Cash. Down. Thank you, Oga. I know you've been supporting. Always. This is just a mere addition on what you've been doing. Pasebo ne banyabo kanga idinge bwetuti. Fena bagenda okubanga twogera any amount tujja kujikiriza as long as it's 200 and above for the book. Era omwana muwala Ritah agenda kukasa yininga anakutikemo autography obukadde obw'ebbiliyoni obukadde 10 obukadde 2 because according to the love you have towards Ritah toli mugula katabo. This amount is not about buying book. This is about Ritah. This is about Ritah. It's not about the book. It's about Ritah. It's about what contribution Ritah is doing towards the world. So when you're coming, don't look at the amount you're giving, that you're buying the book at this amount of money, but this is kind of love. So 200 and above, that is for the autography. You go with the book, Ritah is signing the autography. We are going to have the screens, we have the number on the screen. Numbers treasury. Ricky, please make sure that you display the numbers. If you have mobile money, that's then if you have some cash and you want to pledge some amount, also chance you pledge. How much money you're going to give. Things like that. So thank you so much, Oga. 150 pounds. May God bless you. Katandikire Papa Muzee Mazo mwami kanzileko tata. Dr. Kaggwa Apollo. Ashes muyite ku meza nga muteekayo obutabo.
Apollo Kaggwa.
Yesebo.
Apollo yani omwana tata wa Ritah.